Next.
OK，早上好，我叫 Samuel，我是英国人，我是26岁，我在工作，有2个中国朋友，他们叫 Cindy 和 Ruby。我没有孩子，我是单身。你们要我的电话号码？我的电话号码是15602932250。谢谢。
Good, very good. Yes, pronunciation 很好。Yes, he used a few new words we didn't learn, but correct. Okay, good. Next. Yes, and also you check by yourself how many % you can understand, right? You will see more, you will understand more and more, right?
你好，我叫 Irina， 我是老师，我是离台湾人，我结婚了。
Yes.
我丈夫的叫 Stas。他是
This one say again.
我丈夫的叫 Stas。我的丈夫叫 Stas。
Yes, now correct. Yes, say again.
我的丈夫叫 Stas。
Now correct.
他是乌克兰人。他是一名篮球教练。
Correct.
我喜欢在这里学习中文。
Yes, I like to study Chinese here.
我的电话号码是187603574。Okay. He was just practicing numbers.
I think Miss one. Because she's married, she doesn't want to give the right number. Okay, but this is correct, right? Yeah, pronunciation correct, yes.
我喜欢喝咖啡。
Like to drink coffee. Okay, good. Yes, very good. Next. Yes.
早上好，我叫 Michelle， 我是菲律宾人，我住在深圳，我的手机号码是132-655-41693。
This one?
是的。
Okay.
我是老师，我有200学生。
200个。
200个学生。他们11岁。
11 years old.
谢谢你。
Okay, good, very good. Your pronunciation now very good. 很好. Yes. Next. No more? Okay, so just when our classmates reading their homework, how many % you can understand? All?
50-60%. Yeah, I have a problem that I didn't attend more classes second one,
yes.
so I need this sentence written.
And if you joined each class, how many % you just could understand? All?
60.
60?
80%.
80?
90.
90? 90? Almost all. 50-40? Yes. I think if 50-40, because very beginning you didn't join, so you missed the part about the sentence, right? Since you join the class, I think you can understand almost all. That's very good, yes. Today, we will take a break now, And after break, we will learn the sentences and new word. I will explain again about the sentence structures, okay? But I want to say, very good, everyone improving, 很好. So now we take a break. We come back on what we have learned the words. Last hour we reviewed already. So now let's review Chinese sentence. Means the sentence order, the structure, what's that? So Chinese always, this part very important. So when we speak Chinese, so the sentence structure always follow the same rule, the same order. It's a subject, verb, object, always. No matter it's question, answer, statements. Or later, future, you will learn intermediate level, advanced level grammar, but still the same. So always subject, verb, object. If easy way to say for now, like people do something. So even it's a question, we follow the same. For example, before we learn, say 她要咖啡, she wants coffee, right? That's the same in English, 她要咖啡. But we also learn if it's a question, for example, say, does she or does he want coffee? That's English, right? But Chinese, we follow the same structure. We just add something. We don't need to change anything. That's why, so the same, you just add, yes, you just add ma, then as a question. 先照片上. Okay. Okay, we take a picture first. So one thing that next Saturday, we will start to use the book, HSK-1 book. So you can buy from Taobao online shop. If you don't know how to buy, you can buy from her. 小赖, Miss Lai. So she will help you how to do. So after class, you can go to her, ask her to buy for you. Then next Saturday, the book it will arrive here. You will have the book. We need the book and the workbook, 2 books. HSK. So next Saturday, we start to use the book. So please bring here, okay? Okay, so now let's take a picture first.